Do you literally know what literally means? Let's break it down in 5 accents, 5 styles, and 1 real meaning. Today's word is literally, spelled Literally. It's an adverb, and it means something that actually happened, in a real, exact way. Not exaggeration, not sarcasm, just plain, literal truth. Let's clear up a common mistake.
I literally died of laughter.
Really? You died? But literally means something that actually happened. You didn't actually die, you just laughed a lot. So it's not literal, it's an exaggeration. A better way to say it, I was laughing so hard I nearly died.
I literally ran 10 kilometers today.
That means you actually did it. No drama, no jokes.
That pizza was so good, I literally exploded.
Wait, what? You're still here. Wrong use. You didn't actually explode, you're just expressing intense emotion. So this sentence is figurative, not literal. Let's see the correct way to say it. That pizza was so good I felt like I could explode. Or, that pizza was unbelievably good. Or, that pizza was so good I was blown away.
I literally forgot my wallet at home. I had to go all the way back.
Now, that makes sense and a proper use of literally. Now let's hear how literally is pronounced around the world.
Literally. Literally. With a soft T and clear syllables. I literally had to walk through the rain without an umbrella.
Literally. Literally. The T becomes a quick D sound. I was literally starving by the time we got to the restaurant.
Literally. Literally. Fast and the middle kind of vanishes. Mate, I literally saw a kangaroo hopping down the street.
Literally. Literally. Very similar to Aussie. I literally forgot it was Mum's birthday until she called me.
Literally. Literally. Crisp and British influenced. He literally finished the entire project in one night.
So, are you literally using it right? Which accent was your favorite? Tell us in the comments, and suggest the next word you'd like us to cover. 1 word a day, 5 accents, and perfect English. See you in the next video, right here on The Honest Mirror.